Amazulu coach Ataswane has opened up once again about the darkest period of his career and how a move to KwaZulu-Natal helped rediscover his love for football. Zwane joined Usuthu at the start of the last season as co-coach, alongside Vusimuzi Vilakazi, who has since left the club. It was a fresh start after a turbulent spell at Kaizer Chiefs, where he had been demoted from first-team head coach to senior academy coach following intense public scrutiny. Speaking to Kosi FM, the man affectionately known as 10111 reflected candidly on the emotional toll of that chapter and said, I lost interest in football. I stayed away. I wasn't going to the stadium or even watching games, especially after I was demoted at Chiefs. There were things behind the scenes that played a huge role in why things didn't go well. I won't speak about them in the media, but I knew those things were affecting me. Psychologically at work and even at home, it was really bad. Despite the strain, Zwane says the hardship ultimately shaped him and said I survived because the bigger the mission, the harder the journey. Coaching is a calling for some of us. You don't just wake up and decide to be a coach. Now settled in Durban, Zwane says his time at Amazulu has been nothing short of restorative, both professionally and personally. And said I'd love to be in KwaZulu-Natal for as long as I can. It's even difficult to go home. Amazulu didn't only revive my career, it actually saved my life. He also expressed gratitude to Chiefs for the role they played in his football journey, thanking the Motaung family for the opportunities he received at Naturena, and said, I'm grateful to Chairman Dr. Kaiser Motaung, the family, Sister Sika, Kemiso, and Kaiser Jr., but my life wasn't easy, and maybe it had to be that way. If it didn't happen, I probably wouldn't be where I am now. Sometimes in life, you need people to make things extremely difficult. My life was extremely difficult. Zwane revealed that at one point the pressure became so overwhelming that simply going to work felt unsafe, and said there were days I went to work not knowing if I'd come back home. That's how tough it was. People will never understand. Today he credits faith and a decisive phone call from Amazulu President Sandile Zungu for pulling him back from the brink, and said, I thank God, my guardian angels, and Mr. Zungu for giving me that call and saving my career. With his passion for the game renewed, Zwane is determined to build something lasting in KwaZulu-Natal, a province he now considers his football sanctuary. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.